Do you want to upload high-quality HD or 4K videos to TikTok? You can easily fix blurry posts and maintain maximum clarity for your content. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To upload high-quality HD or 4K videos to TikTok. First, open the TikTok app on your mobile device. Once you are on TikTok, log into your account if you have not already. Tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you are on your profile, tap the three lines icon in the top right corner, then select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to the Cache and Cellular section, tap Data Saver, and make sure it is turned off. This prevents TikTok from compressing your video uploads. Now, back to the TikTok home feed screen and tap the plus icon at the bottom of the screen to create a new post, and select your recorded HD or 4K video directly from your device gallery. Tap Next to reach the final posting screen. Scroll down and tap on More Options. From the menu options, locate Allow High-Quality Uploads and toggle the switch on. Now, tap Post, and your video will be published in high resolution immediately.